In this video, I want to show you how you can get a date on Bumble super fast in 2020 using Python. What's going on, everyone? It's Ryan here. So 2020 has been a tough year so far, and even tougher when it comes to dating. Due to the Rona situation, no matter where you go in public, you will see social distancing signs being put up everywhere. I mean everywhere. They are on the street, inside the mall, at the restaurant, at the bar. Yet, not only you have to keep your distance from others, your face also needs to be covered. So how can you get a date during this Rona pandemic? A study shows that the popularity of online dating apps has grown immensely over the last decade, with more than 50 million people are using online dating apps to find their perfect match. And also reported that millennials spend an average of 1.5 hours a day on online dating apps such as Tinder and Bumble. While unconventional for those of us used to in-person first date in a bar or restaurant, couples are now more likely to form a relationship through online dating app versus any other methods. However, other studies shows that the popularity of a match using online dating app is near bottom, with some studies reported women find a match about 10% and men's about 0.6%. So as you can tell, online dating apps are getting more popular than ever. Many people prefer to find love through swiping photos from their phone. Also, as online dating apps are getting smarter on measuring users' swipe, the search for love could be an endless swiping before finding a potential match. And as of this, I feel like there should be a way to automate the painful task of swiping to increase the chance of getting a match. So after many hours of researching, going to different web pages on the internet, trying to find an API that can build this swiping bot, sadly, I couldn't find anything, but here's what I ended up doing. So I found this dope library called Selenium, which allows us to control any web browser using code. And to make our life easy, we're going to use Python to build this Bumble bot. First, we'll start by importing our web drivers from Selenium, the awesome web scraping library. Then we import sleep from the time library to wait for our browser to catch up. Okay, cool. Now let's define our web browser object. With the .get method and the Bumble URL as an input, we can launch Bumble in our Chrome browser. When launch Bumble for the first time, it will ask you to log in, and Bumble gave us 3 options to choose from. I picked the sign in with my Facebook account. Simply is the most straightforward one. And to automate this, we need to extract all the necessary XML elements, aka XPath, from Bumble using the built-in inspect tool inside the Chrome browser. Once we have all the XPath copied, we use them to help us to locate all the buttons in the input fields on the web page. Next, we create 2 Windows variables, one for Bumble and the other for Facebook pop-up. Then we run the switch to method to switch to Facebook pop-up window so we can complete the Facebook login process. After that, we define our swipe function and default to 5-second pause after each swipe. Then we create the close pop-up function to close the is a match pop-up. And finally, the most important block of code. So that is it for this video, guys. Let me know in the comment section below if you'd like to see more videos like this. Hit the like button if you like this video, subscribe if you aren't already, and I'll see you in the next video.